Okay, everybody, here comes that 74 Porsche that I talked about earlier. Nobody's driving this but me, I told you. Out you go, man. Come on, get out of my car. Nobody drives this car but me. I got it in earlier, I'm backing it again. Here we go, fellas. This is Bill Griever from Wytheville, Virginia, and he's here to tell you about a beautiful 1957 Ford that I believe was found in a yard sale.
Yeah, Jerry, it's a yard sale car. A friend of mine went to a yard sale, was looking at some items, saw this car with for sale sign in it. The original owner of this car had died, he passed away, and they were selling some of their estate out. And he got the information on the car. We ended up buying it from the widow. It's a one-owner car, all original paint. The finish is all original. The interior's original. Car's never been touched. It's a real unusual find.
And I noticed so much of the documentation is with this car, and of course, the top comes off, which makes it really cool.
Yeah, you know, when the top comes down, the price goes up, right?
Well, we're gonna find that out today. What are you hoping to get for it?
Well, we're looking for somewhere in the $30,000 range, and I think that's real doable.
So $30,000, you found it at a yard sale in New Jersey.
Yeah, and brought it to North Carolina to sell.
That's fantastic. Well, thanks for coming, Bill, and good luck on the block today.
Thank you.
All right, this is for all you out there who don't take life too seriously. This is a 1957 Ford Fairlane.
Hold up on, here now, the top works perfect. Hold up on 35. 35 down, not going to be about 15, 16. She's there, 17, 18 down, not going to be 19 down, not going to be 20 down, not going to be 20. 20 now, on, 20 bond, 20 bond, 20 bond. 20 bond down, not going to do, 22. 22 down, not going to be about 22 now, bond now, 2. 20 bond, 2. 22 down, not going to be 2. I won 5 now, 2. 22 now, 3. 23 down, not going to be 3. 80, 23. And top works perfect, 23, 80. 23 down, not going to be 3. 23. 23 down, not going to be 22. 23. 22, 3. 23 down, not going to be about 22. 23. 22, 5. 22, 500, not going to be 5. Send it to the deal, doctor. 22, 5. 23. 23. What we going to do? 253. 24, you're out. 24. 24. 24,000, not going to be a 354. Now 5. 24, now 5. 24, now 5. 20, it is for sale. 24, 25. 25 down. You got to be 25 now. 20, you was going to get talked to deal, doctor, but no more. 25. 24, 25. 24, 5. 24, 5. 24, 5. So, $24,000. Number is 244.
Okay, congratulations going out to both buyer and seller.
This is a 1969 Mustang, the Boss 302. It's out of the Hendricks Motorsports camp, and if you get a look at this power plant, 390 horsepower right out of the factory. The interior is absolutely perfect. This is a beautiful 1969 Mustang that'll be on the block real soon.
All right, and look what we have here, a 1969 Ford Mustang. Wow. Boss car, number 127. It's had a full rotisserie restoration. It's got a Marty report on it, fully documented. What else can you say about it? The 69 Ford Mustang, number 127.
All right, all you Mustang lovers out there, we have a 1969 Ford Mustang for you.
40, 40,000, 30,000, 35. I got 30,000, 81, 81, 5. Put 5 here to the 81, 5, 40, $5,000, 40,000, sir, 5, 45 and a half, 50, 50, at 50,000, 50. 50,000 out of it and 50. I got 46 now, 50. I got 46,000 out of it and 7. 47 out of it and 8 and 8 out of it and 48. 8,000 out of it and now 9. 9 out of it and 49. The young man bid. Out of it and 3. 3 out of it and 1 and 2 out of it and 53. 9. 9 out of it and 59 and 60,000 out of it and 81 out of it and 60. I got 9 out of 81 out of it and 60,000 out of it by 4. Now 500 out of it and 65. Down 6 out of it and 81 out of it and Johnny 67. 7 out of it and 81 out of it and 67. 66.5, now 67. What 17? 66.5 out of it 7. Down 8, 88, 68. 8,000 out of it 81 out of it 8 and 8 out of it 81 out of it 68,000 dollars. What 8 8 out of it 81 68. 8 and 8 all done. 67 now 8 8. You got 500 more. 67.5. Hey, 500 out of 81 out of it 67 and 5. 5 5 67,000. 67.5. You get first chance. You're the high bidder, huh? All right, to the deal, doctor, she goes, and bring the next one.
All right, we are here at the Deal Doctor with Chris Newhouser. Chris, what's your job here? They call you the Deal Doctor.
Well, when a car happens to not sell on the block, a customer can come over to the desk and make us an offer. We contact the owner and try to put the deal together. Just gives the full package to the auction, gives the guy the opportunity to buy something that maybe he didn't get here to see when it crossed the block. So we're here to put the deals together and make it happen.
So this is like a second chance for the seller and the buyer to get together, and you're the guy that puts that together. Therefore, they call you the Deal Doctor.
That's correct. Come on over and see me. Thank you.
There you go. There's the Deal Doctor here at Greensboro Classic.
We're going to run number 72, which is a 1960 Cadillac DeVille convertible. This car has had a frame off rotisserie restoration, late model GM motor and transmission installed, 1 repaint, garage kept, rust-free, 350 engine installed in the car. This has got non-factory air conditioning, non-factory heat, cassette player, intermittent wipers, leather interior, a beautiful car. What a car to cruise in. The 1960 Cadillac DeVille convertible.
All right, who's ready for a caddy? Right now we have a 1960 Cadillac DeVille convertible.
What am I gonna pay? Hey, Donovan, who give $100,000? $100,000. $100,000 out of it. There, give $100,000. $100,000 out of it. Who give $50,000? Out of it. There, give $8. $47,500 out of it. $50,000. Out of it. There, give $2,500 out of it. $52,500 out of it. Down $500 out of it. Down $55,000. At $55,000. $55,000. $5 and $5 out of it. Down $52,000 and $5 out of it. $55,000. At $5,000 out of it. Down $52,000 and $5. $55,000. At $55,000. $55,000. 53 now 5 55,000 55 and 5 out of it. Gentleman here says you can drive this car anywhere and you won't find a nicer ride. Nothing rides like a Cadillac. He drove it here. He didn't put it in a trailer. He put it. He drove it here 250 miles. And we got Phil G. Was that you at 53,000? 54 out of it at 4 now 5. 54 a bit of 5. Hey, 55,000 out of it. It's perfect.
Perfect in every way.
55 and 5 out of it now. If it was home in your garage and somebody asked you to price it to them to buy, what would you price it at? Huh? A whole lot more than what I've got offered. We got 54. Who get 55 now? At 5,000. Not about 81. At 54. Everybody get 5 here. 55 and now 60. I got 55,000. Not about anybody get $60,000. And the reserve is off and we're going to sell the car. You better get in. There goes a bargain and a whale of a car. We got 55. Anybody get 56,000? I'm with Jerry Barker at 55. $56,000. A whale of a car. 55. It looks immaculate. $56,000. Yes, sir. You want to get 50? Say $56,000, and I have sold 55,000. Congratulations, nice purchase right there, my friend.
Congratulations, what a car to cruise in.
It is a 1970 Ford Mustang. It's a Mach 1, a must-see car here at the sale today. And look at that power plant, 514 cubic inches of Ford motor. It's got a C6 automatic manual valve body. Just look at the performance that's going to come out of this Ford. unbelievable. It's got the CSI electric water pump. Everything is race ready, even coming down to the interior and the Recaro seats with the Simpson belts. It's got a roll cage, completely pro streeted out. It is fully street legal. And there's just so many things to talk about on this monster, and that's exactly what we're going to call this one. And one of the great things about this Mustang is the owner of this car has actually brought the dyno performance evaluation, so he can back it up. So it's not all talk here at this Ford Mustang. Well, one of the things that makes a car so valuable is documentation. And look at this example, a 1960 Pontiac Bonneville. The owner brought the owner's guide. You think that's a small detail, but this really gives the car character and value. And as we look at this 1960 Bonneville, you'll go through it. It is a matching numbers car. The original owner had it for 42 years. So one repaint on an owner that's had it 42 years, 389 cubic inch motor. It's automatic. It's got the fender skirts that you can see real well. Factory spinner wheel covers. Everybody loves those factory spinners. It's got factory AC, power brakes, power steering, power everything on this 1960 luxury automobile. And they even brought in the extra detail.
The original owner has had this automobile for 42 years, and what a car it is, folks. The 1960 Pontiac Bonneville.
Hold on, hold on, 40,000 not gonna be high. 40,000 not gonna be high. Put it in money, 40,000 not gonna be high. 10,000 not gonna be now. 15,000 not gonna be. 15,000 not gonna be 10, 15. 15,000 not gonna be 10, 15,000 not gonna be 5. 15,000 not gonna be 10, 15,000 not gonna be 10, 15, 11, now 12, now 12, now 13,000 not gonna be 14, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 17. 17,000 not gonna be 16, 17, 17, 17, 17, 17. 16, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 16, 18, 19. 19,000 not gonna be 19, now 20, now 20, now 20, now 20, now on, 21, 21, 21, 21, 21, now not gonna be 21, 21, 21, 20, he's out of bleed, 21, 21, not gonna be 25, 22, 22,000 not gonna be 22,000 not gonna be 23,000 not gonna be 23, 23, 23, 23, 23,000 not gonna be 22, now 3, 22, now 300 not gonna be 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, just raise your hand, 23, 23,000 not gonna be 22, now 3, 22, now 3, 3, 3, 3, 22, now 3, now 3, 22, 5, 22, 500 not gonna be 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 22, 5, 22, 5, now 3, 23,000 not gonna be 3, 23,000 not gonna be 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 23, 23, 23, 23, 23,000 not gonna be 25, now 3, 3, 3, 23, 23,000 not gonna be 25, now 3, now 3, get him in here, 23,000, 23,000 not gonna be 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 23,000 not gonna be 23, 23, 23, 23,000 not gonna be 23,000 not gonna be 23. The car's for sale, 22,500 now 3, 23,000 not gonna be 3, 3, 3, it's for sale now, 23, 23,000 not gonna be 25 now 3, now 3, now 3, now 3, 23, 23,000 not gonna be 3, 3, 3, 23 and a half. Sold the car 22,500.
Okay, another sold automobile here at the Greensboro Classic Auto Auction.
Well, it's safe to say this is Godfather approved. This is the 1931 Ford Model A Street Rod.
Run number 116 is a 1931 Model A Street Rod. Two-door sedan street rod.
All right, it's a 1931. We're going to find out again. Can this one go to the highest bidder? We'll know in just a moment. It's loud down here. Get revved up for GAA Classic Cars Auction at the Palace. Open to the public on March 7th through the 9th. Kick off the event Thursday at 6 p.m. with great memorabilia. Friday and Saturday, 350 antique and classics go up for sale. Admission is just $15 each day. Come watch or register to bid. Your dream car just might be there. For more information, log on to GAAClassicCars.com. 3 days in March, the 7th, 8th, and 9th. GAA Classic Cars Auction. Public and dealers welcome. 350 vehicles, GAAClassicCars.com. Join us Thursday, March 7th for the welcoming party, memorabilia sale, and over 20 no-reserve vehicles go on the block. Friday and Saturday, March 8th and 9th, there will be $5,000 given away each day to a lucky buyer or seller. Check us out on the web. It's GAAClassiccars.com.